don't know that I can express in words how thrilled we are to have Central States become a part of our community. There have been many people, as you have said, that has made this happen. It's been a little over a year since we began speaking with Central States and selling to them our community. And I will tell you, as wonderful as business is and how important business is to this community, this is more than business. This is relationships. This is a place for people to work and earn the money to raise their family in a community that understands quality of life. We are proud of where we live. We are proud of this community. We're very grateful for you at Central States to see our vision and to become part of our family. And we have hats for you. Jared's got hats for all of you today so that you're going to become an official part of our family. Not just a business in our community, but you are part of our family. I want to recognize Jared. Jared Stewart's our Economic Development Director, and I'm telling you, he has worked very hard to make this happen. We're so appreciative of the Peterson Group, Aaron Peterson, for making this again happen for us. Everything falls into place how it should, because I believe it is meant to be. You are all meant to be here. And we are a community of people that understand work. We work and we make a living, but we also prioritize our families and our community. We work together, and following this event today, I'm going to meet Central States up to the Harris Community Village, where we're going to work and put together some beds and things for a new housing development to help with our homeless issues. So we're grateful that you have taken that opportunity to meet us up there today. Again, I cannot say enough good things about your company. Thank you so much for being here and for choosing our community. And now I would like to turn the time over to Tim Ruger, who is the president of Central States Manufacturing. Come on up, Tim.
All right, well, thank you very much for that. You know, I'll tell you, it has been about a year, and when we first came to this community, I don't know if we would tell them this right away, but it was absolutely the choice that we made was we want to be in this community. And it had a lot to do with going into your office and hearing how you talk about your people in this community and you truly care for them. And it lines up with what we want to be. For you guys who don't know, right, Central States is a 100% employee-owned company, and every one of our employees owns part of our company, all right? And that is true from the day one when they come in. And so our mission and our purpose isn't just to create a job, but it's to help them have financial freedom and to create well-being for them long-term in their families. And so it's important to find a community that we feel we can match together with us as a company. And we felt that from day one when we were here. And I was really happy to be able to make that happen. And I appreciate all the work that you guys did, all the time that Jared and yourself, Mayor, spent with us. It was fantastic. All right. I also want to make sure we thank you guys. We thank the state and the Economic Development Group. They worked with us. We appreciate the help that they did bringing us out here and making sure all this was put together. And then finally, okay, I'm going to thank Aaron Peterson for all of his work that he's done helping us find a location. He's worked really well with us. I know it's a relationship and a partnership that we're going to create. It's not just building for us. We're hoping we're going to be able to provide him some stuff later on for his businesses. But I think it's going to work fantastically that way. And I really appreciate everything that everybody's done for this. And I look forward to getting this done, getting some new employee owners here, and we can tell our current customers and new customers how an employee owner creates much better customer service and helps us to continue to grow as we have over the last few years. So I appreciate all the help that we've got. Thank you guys very much.
And everybody else. In talking about your company that you just did, it reminds me of the words of the great British bulldog, Winston Churchill. He once said, "There'll come a time in everybody's life when opportunity figuratively will tap you on the shoulder and ask you to do something great, that you're uniquely skilled to do that with your talents and ability. How sad that day would be if you were unwilling and unmotivated to do that." That's just the opposite here. Here you're tapped on the shoulder, you're working with your employees that are owners. What a great collaboration with employees. to build here and to create something within this business community and have employees be owners and have some ownership in that and really work hard. So thank you again for coming out to Tooele County, Tooele City. Thank you for inviting them out, working so hard to establish them here. And I'm going to turn it back over the time to Jennifer.